Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be playing Roblox Rivals, and the title is true. We are going to be grinding to level 100. I'm level 82 right now, so yeah. Let's see how far we can get into before we have to do a part 2, because my battery's limited. So yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna run this way. Only takes like 3 seconds. Okay, no it doesn't. Okay. Okay, 9 seconds. Here we go. Let's hope that we can win this. But I get XP even if I lose, but let's hope I can still win. Okay, it's 105 PC. Might be able to win plus PC, is not really that good. Okay, he's level 102, so he's already completed the goal, but I'm trying to get to his goal and get to level 100. Okay. Construction, my map. Okay, here we go. Construction or splash is my map, and yeah. What should choose construction? Okay, where's he? Oh, he's on top of the 2. Well, that's actually a good strat. Oh, I see him. Oh, he tried to scythe this. No, that medkit is saving my day there. He could have killed us there. But it med. Where's he? See him? He's low. I know he's won. Whoa. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Wow. That was insane. Wow. My brother was saying random words. You can hear someone screaming, what? Okay, where is he? I know he's somewhere. Whoa. Whoa, I see him. Yep. He's got bow. He's just torn it is now. Okay. Come on. See him? Yes, he fell. Ah, ha, ha, ha. Okay. I might be able to beat this level 100 blue. Why do I keep my screen keeps on going back? Can you see this, guys? Oh. Oh, how? Oh my god, my screen keeps turning black. You seeing this? Damage him a little. Okay. It's completely off, just went right into it. Okay, mad. He blends in with the map. No wonder I picked this map. No, I'm one. No, he's one, I mean. Am I seeing? No, he's one. No, he's one. See him. There we go. Get him. About to fight you with this guy, okay. Oh, he actually almost got me there, but he didn't. Why is like the thing you kind of like wonky? Okay, where is he? Oh, how does he? Don't even know where he is. Where is he? I see him. He blends in with the smoke. That isn't fair. No wonder why he picks this map. No, not with the smoke. He blends in with the map. Come on. Dead. Yes. You died, kid. Yes, sir. Have to. Okay. We're now level 83. Okay. Revolver. Nova. Okay. Don't really use revolver. Guys, if you normally want me, use assault rifle, Uzi, scythe, and medkit, or just sniper. Here's the katana. I mean, not katana, scythe and medkit. Yeah, that's only on loadout. One or the other. Okay. 98 computer. He's so close to 100. Fortunately, I'm about to win his streak because he has a streak and that, but I'm about to win his bum. Okay, what? No, he's got a substitute mine. No, he just exo gunned me. No, man. He's just threat. He's Peter Winwell. Like I bought the standard weapon bundle, but... Oh no, he's just katana does like loads. I'm mad. He's got the grenade. I think he's got the grenade launcher as his weapon. Okay, I see him. Yes, that med saved us. The med absolutely saved us. You know what's a med kit now? He's probably just keeping track of. Got my little. No, wait, how did he just zoom up here? What was this guy's loadout? I know he's got Exogun, grenade launcher, Exogun, I think. Can this guy just stop being so pay to win? Boo! I just feel I'm gonna take damage. Oh, see him? Trying to med us. Look, get up, hey. He's using grenade launcher, but he's so pay to win. You got the heavy duty bundle for like 1,200 Robux. Yeah, he's more. He must just carry you. What do you mean, brother? Bro, you see that, guys? I'm just gonna say lag. It kind of is lag. He's just kidding us with grenade launcher. Look how pity when he is. He's more pity than me. When he spent like 1,200 in this game, he spent like the whole. Honestly, I tell this guy to stop being so pity win. Oh, stop being so pity win, kid. Oh, he's so pity win. I'm just saying pity win. Imagine. Ha. Womp to Sigma Womp. He's level 99. Oh, okay, I just wish he gets to level 100. Go on. He must be the stairs on level 99. If I go against him again, I'm totally disappointed. He's probably not going to win. Sweaty kid, isn't it? Okay, he looks. I think his avatar looks sweaty, so I mean, he could be. I might use Splash this time. Okay, it's Splash. Okay, here's my loadout for Splash. I feel like I might just use like the same loadout for like everything. Oh no, he's. No, I think he has the same loadout. I was just no, he doesn't have loadout. Okay. He doesn't even have med. I should have just medded. I was on like 1 HP. I should have just full medded in one way. How does he aim? Got him. Hit him 70. There we go. Boom. I just tapped him. Little tappy. Okay. How is he more damage than me? Okay. Looking at that happen. I see him. Hit him 70. Should be low. Yeah, he is. Okay. GG. Oh my god. Okay, yeah. He might be pay to win, but he is not sweaty. I'm not trying to be mean. He's just not that good. But he is good, but it's just. But I don't think he's good because. Well, I'm better than him, definitely. I'm definitely better than him, but he is still good. He's not good for me though. I'm trying to be mean. Okay. Definitely might need to do a part 2. 1070. Dead. I was on full HP, kid. Why are you trying to rush his? You want half HP and I was full. Why are you trying to rush his brother? Okay, I might just use my normal weapons. See if I can win for assault rifle. And if I can, that means I'm good. Okay. Way! He's on top. Way! So... You said XD, your phone, and... What do you mean, XD? I am on phone socket. Well, I don't care if Amos just carries us. You're still bad. I'll literally beat you. I'm just gonna pick any maps and see what it becomes. Okay, if it's arena, probably is gonna be arena. Okay, it's arena. Okay. Any luck and subscribe probably away. Okay, what are they? I was not. Whoa. Where is he? See him. He just won. He was just 9 HP, just waiting to die. He wanted us to kill him. That's how bad. That's how low he was. Okay. Got him a little bit low. I lit him up a little. Yes, sir. No ammo. No, please spare me. We both won. Yes. Give me that fire. Okay. I'm going for that. Use the action? No. Yeah, how did he know I was going to be there? Kind of suspect, whatever. Huh? He actually hit us with that? Wow. Okay, we're just going to hit us with this. Ooh! He's dead. You're dead. Why is he using bow and arena? We had to drop. No, there's no way he just killed us. I'm on top. Oh my. There's no way he's just killed me when I was one tap. He was one tap. Okay. Okay, keep it low. Where is he? Okay, he's... Okay. Yes. He has a one streak, but I'm about to end it. It's not really that much of a streak, but whatever. I know he's low. Let's just finish him off. See you later, boy. Fist. I'm just gonna crouch on him. It's 4-1. I was gonna say noob. Why is he trying to short he is? This is what you get for thinking you can shorten me. Kyle. Bye. Bye. Am I just gonna... Yeah! I've just saved him. I might stop at 84 because it's definitely going to take a while. Take a lot of parts. I might just say grind until I don't know. I may not be able to grind till that I might not be able to record this long to make this video that I'm trying to make right now. Hey. I'm just gonna say lol, that deserves a lol for that, mate, Harry. Ooh. You have to be in sweat mode. No, wait, what? No, use his katana. Katana, bro. Yeah, when he shines white, just don't hit him. Him a little bit. Use his katana. Yes! Made him one. Oh my. Wait, what? Oh, I see him. I know he's won. He's won. Yes. I'm just crouching up. Wait, what? How did that fall through the water? Ohio, Martin? I think that's a glitch. Is that a glitch? Okay. Don't know. What is this guy's aim? But what is this guy's aim? I know he's on BC, but his aim's kind of looky bad. I'm not gonna lie, no cap. Hey. Hey. Okay, when I level up next, he's gonna leave any second. Okay, I don't think the title that I said in the beginning is gonna be true because I don't think I'm gonna be getting to level 100 anytime soon. Well, anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Bye.